Hello everyone, my name is Dennis and this is Christian.
Hey.
And we're starting a group called Little Big Gunpla. What we're going to do is give you some reviews on the upcoming Gundams as well as the ones that are already out.
No! Don't leave! No! No!
Yeah, I hear it.
That's real articulation, right there. Show me a master grade non-Zaku that has pipings. Okay, I fucking broke it.
Weapons are, you have to pose the arm in a certain way, otherwise it'll just drop it. Like mine, I ended up having to glue a piece in here. This is so hard to do with these dumbasses over here.
Ah, you bitch, I gotcha.
Jesus Christ, what are you?
What did you say about Mikazuki? Honestly, he's the best Gundam pilot to have ever existed in the Gundam franchise. IBO is a masterpiece. Nothing can ever be better than it. The Barbatos Lupus Rex, strongest mobile suit ever. Repeat after me, strongest mobile suit ever. Sir, I'll have you know it's pronounced Barbatos. No, it's pronounced Barbetos. No, you both are wrong. It's pronounced Bar.
Who does this? Who does this to themselves? You don't need this many victory kits, Forge. Like, I get it. You want the Hexa one. You want the normal one. You're going to want the booster one. You're going to want the second L version. You know, whatever other variants of these they got. I know some of them are mass-produced victory suits. I get it. But you got a problem.